Hi everyone, how to fix the Palworld error out of video memory trying to allocate our rendering resources. Guys, fixing this problem is way more simpler than you think and let's get started. First, close the Palworld completely from your PC, then go to the Windows search tab at the control panel and simply open it. Select the view bar to the large icons and here you will see the system settings. Click on that. And now guys, here in the about you will see the advanced system settings. Click on that, and once your system properties was open, here in the advanced you will see the performance and click on the settings. Now go to the advanced tab on the second, and here you will see the virtual memory. Click on the change. Now here you just need to uncheck this box of the automatically manage paging file size. Select your local disk C, click on the custom size, and then open up the calculator. Go to the Windows or tab at the calculator, open it. And here, if you have the 8 GB of RAM, then you can multiply it with the constant value, which is the 1024. So now guys, we are going to increase our video memory or our virtual memory, and then you can type this value in the initial size. And once you type this value here, you can see I have already typed, and then you can multiply this value with the 3. Once you get the result, then you can type this value in the maximum size. And once you do that, if you have the 16 GB of RAM, then you can multiply it with the 16. You can multiply 16 with the 1024, and then you can multiply this with the 3. So you can type this value in the initial size, multiply it with the 3, and just type this value in the maximum size. And your virtual memory is set. And click on the set, click on the OK, then click on the OK again. Then you can simply restart your PC. After the restart, your problem is 100% fixed. And guys, this is only the solution that you need to apply to fix this problem. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.